Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips on how to pass your WAEC 2021 examination. That's your WASSCE 2021 examination. Okay, and if this is your first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be instantly notified whenever we upload an educational video for you. Okay, DTW Tutorials, we're here to support you with educational videos that's free, absolutely free, on physics, on maths, your chemistry soon. We have English videos. I'm going to show you all those videos very soon, and by God's grace soon we're going to be uploading that's this year's WAEC 2020 past questions solved completely. So be sure to subscribe, and it's absolutely free to subscribe. So please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. And if you're ready for the WAEC 2021 exam and you believe in yourself, I want you to comment in the comment section below. Say, I am destined to win. Okay, that's you are destined to win. You know, the meaning of DTW Tutorials is destined to win tutorial. So you say, I am destined to win in the forthcoming WAEC 2021 examination. You might not know the power in the 2 words I am, but when you speak it to yourself, believe it. Open your mouth and say it. Write it down in your room, paste it somewhere. You are destined to win. And there are several testimonies of several students. There's one recently that just sent me a mail in the morning of how his last year, I think 2018, yes, 2018, is it 20? Yeah, 2019 examination, he had like 5 F9, even in maths. But he sent me his recent exam result, 2020. I was amazed. C's, no F9, no D, C's and B. All because he tuned into Destined to Win tutorials and he won. He's achieved his dream result. So I want you to type in that comment section, believe in yourself, say it and type it. I am. Don't be ashamed of it. Say, I am destined to win in the forthcoming WAEC 2021 exam. That kills fear. All right, because there's a popular saying that goes, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. Okay, a closed imagination, you close up your destiny. So type it, say it to yourself. Don't be scared of anyone laughing at you, okay? I just needed to say this so to kill every fear. Now let's go to our 3 tips immediately. Let me quickly just give you the 3 tips. Now the first tip is you have to start preparation now. There's no two-way about it. You have to start early. That's the way people get A's. They don't just start reading at the final hour. No. They start reading even a year before the exam. That's A students. That's what they do. So you don't need to wait till January 2021 to start reading. No. You start now. You have December, a whole month, to at least break some grounds in your reading. At least move your syllabus. Cover some topics in your syllabus. Okay, so you have to start now. You have to start early. Okay, please start reading now. Wake up, draft your timetable. Okay, as a student, know that your topics you're selecting for your WAEC and start reading now. All right, now I'm going to show you some videos that would help you kickstart. Let me pause this. Hope it's not going to play. Okay, so there's some videos that would help you. You know, sometimes you need motivation to start reading. Okay, now these are WAEC videos. Okay, on your phone, if you just search on YouTube DTW Tutorials, it will take you to the blog. You're going to see my picture here, and also I'm going to arrange this on the first page, landing page of my YouTube channel, your WAEC. Okay, these are your WAEC past questions. Okay, so if you go down, there are other videos you can also browse through. But if you want to kickstart, you need that motivation. These are WAEC past questions. This is physics theory prep solve. This is English. This is math. This is math theory prep solve. In this one, as in a full detailed video on how to plot your graph in your math exam. Okay, so watch all these videos. It's going to get you motivated to start reading right now. Okay, this is something like a Kickstarter. All right, so and that's the thing to start. That's the first tip. The second tip is to get a syllabus for each of your subjects, and to do that, you go to dtwtutorials.com. all right, and you go to downloads. This is syllabus. Sorry, I'm a bit I don't want this video to be quite long, that's why I'm going so fast. Okay, but just go to downloads, search this website, dtwtutorials, don't forget the s.com. Go to downloads, go to syllabus, and you see here, if you click here, it's going to take you to where you can download it on your phone. All right, so you have this here. You can see all your subjects. Just download, and it will guide you on the topics to read. Okay, and you have your textbooks also to help you in reading, and you have several videos on the channel. There are some like if you go down here, some maths playlist. Just go to the playlist, you see introduction to topics, and by the course of a year, throughout as you prepare for your exam, I would also be uploading videos that would help you in your exam, like how to answer WAEC questions, you know, several things. So make sure you do subscribe and share with your friends. All right, so that's the second tip. Get your syllabus. All right, now the next tip is what you have to practice, and practice. Get your WAEC past questions. All right, so as you finish reading a topic, you go and look for questions on that topic. Now I'm doing something very I'm still working on it, but this is tutorials. Okay, don't worry, just make sure you're tuned into the blog. I just started uploading things there. I'm going to show you how I did this. Oh, this video is getting lengthy, but let's go here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did here. So this is density, relative density, that's fluids at rest. You can read all this when you are online. All right, okay, I'm working on this tirelessly for you, so you can you know, have every resource. All right, because I've seen some students, even students from Liberia, Ghana, asking for notes and all that. This is like kind of a note, and by God's grace, maybe in some time to come, I would also do the videos for this. Okay, you know, I can't do everything on my own. All right, and employing other teachers is going to cost money. All right, so you can see this. So after introduction of the topics, now I've brought out WAEC questions that are related to this topic. So it's to help you in your study. After you finish reading, then there are WAEC questions, familiar WAEC questions pertaining to that topic. So you can see this WAEC question to 2017. All right, but here it's not solved, but there are a lot of additions, okay, that I have to do to this. I'm still working on it, but just not before the end of the year. I think I'm also going to do a video to let you know that it is fully ready, but you can follow it right now. It is ready. Okay, so this is what it is like. Okay, several questions that would help you after you finish a topic. So I'm going to complete, by God's grace, the physics WAEC syllabus, okay, and the chemistry WAEC syllabus online on the blog, so you could read also. All right, since there are not much videos on the YouTube channel on those topics. All right, so that's what I have for you today. So as I said, the first tip is what to start now. The second tip is what to follow your syllabus as a guide. Then the last tip is to practice. After you finish a topic, you go to your past question, look for questions related to that topic, solve them, so you'll be familiar with these questions. So when you meet them in your examination, you know you're prepping for an exam, so you need to be familiar with questions. All right, so you don't enter the hall and you don't know what to do. So you get those questions, solve them, and be familiar with. So that is it. That is how you can get your A's. And as I said to you, believe in yourself and say that I am destined to win in the forthcoming WAEC 2021 examination. Don't be ashamed. Please leave that comment below and be positive about it and believe in yourself. All right, so this is all I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe. We're here by God's grace throughout the year up to your exam, all right, to support you in your education. All right, so thank you so much. And also don't forget, as I always say and tell people, all right, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for He is the way, He is the truth, He is the life, and He's the one who will lead us to heaven at last. Oh, is the one who would give your soul peace. All right. If you are going through any troubles, any worries, in him you find peace. In him you find life. In him you find love. In God, in Jesus Christ is love. For God is love. And he will shower your hearts with it. All right. So please give your life to Christ, for Jesus Christ is coming soon. Thank you from DTW Tutorials. Don't forget, you are destined to win. Bye and see you in our next video.